In today's fast-paced world, the ability to download YouTube videos has become increasingly important. With the constant hustle and bustle of daily life, having offline access to your favorite content can be a game changer. Imagine being able to watch tutorials, music videos, or educational content without worrying about internet connectivity. This convenience allows you to enjoy your favorite videos during commutes, while traveling, or even in areas with limited internet access. For busy individuals, downloading YouTube videos means you can curate your own library of content that fits seamlessly into your schedule. Whether you're waiting in line, on a long flight, or simply relaxing at home, having videos readily available can enhance your viewing experience. It eliminates the frustration of buffering or slow connections, allowing you to enjoy uninterrupted entertainment. In this video, we will explore various methods and tools for downloading YouTube videos. From user-friendly apps to browser extensions, there are numerous options available to suit different needs and preferences. By the end of this guide, you'll have a clear understanding of how to download videos efficiently, ensuring you never miss out on valuable content again. So, let's dive in and unlock the world of offline YouTube viewing. When it comes to downloading videos from YouTube, it's crucial to understand the platform's terms of service. YouTube explicitly states that users are not allowed to download content unless a download button or link is provided by the platform itself. This policy is in place to protect the rights of content creators and ensure that their work is not misused or distributed without permission. The legal implications of downloading videos can be significant. Violating YouTube's terms can lead to account suspension or even legal action from copyright holders. Therefore, it's essential to respect copyright laws, which are designed to protect the intellectual property of creators. Downloading videos without permission can infringe on these rights, potentially resulting in serious consequences. However, there are instances where downloading may fall under fair use, particularly for educational or personal use. Fair use allows for limited use of copyrighted material without permission, but it's important to understand the nuances of this concept. Viewers should consider whether their intended use aligns with fair use guidelines and whether it respects the original creator's rights. In summary, while downloading YouTube videos can be convenient, it's vital to navigate these policies carefully to avoid legal pitfalls and support the creators whose content you enjoy. When it comes to downloading YouTube videos, selecting the right software or online service is essential for a smooth experience. There are several popular tools available, each with its own set of features. Two noteworthy options are 4K Video Downloader and YTD Video Downloader. 4K Video Downloader is a versatile tool that allows users to download videos, playlists, channels, and even subtitles in high quality. One of its major pros is its user-friendly interface, making it accessible for beginners. However, some users may find that the free version has limitations on the number of downloads. On the other hand, YTD Video Downloader is another widely used option. It supports a variety of video formats and offers a simple download process. The advantage of YTD is its ability to convert videos into different formats, which can be handy for specific devices. However, some users have reported that the software can be slower compared to others, and the free version includes ads. For beginners, both tools offer straightforward interfaces, but 4K Video Downloader may be slightly easier to navigate. Ultimately, the choice depends on your specific needs, such as video quality, format preferences, and ease of use. By considering these factors, you can find the perfect tool to enhance your YouTube downloading experience. Downloading videos from YouTube can be a straightforward process, especially when using a tool like 4K Video Downloader. Let's walk through the steps to ensure you can easily download your favorite content. First, start by opening YouTube and navigating to the video you want to download. Once you've found it, simply click on the address bar at the top of your browser to highlight the video URL. Right-click the highlighted URL and select Copy from the context menu. Next, open the 4K Video Downloader application on your device. You'll see a prominent Paste Link button in the top left corner. Click on this button, and the software will automatically detect the copied URL. After a moment, a new window will appear, presenting you with various options for downloading. Now it's time to select your preferred video quality and format. You can choose from options like 720p, 1080p, or even 4K, depending on the original video quality and your device's capabilities. Additionally, you can select the format such as MP4 or MKV based on your needs. Once you've made your selections, click the download button, and the video will begin downloading to your specified folder. Following these steps will have you enjoying offline YouTube content in no time. While downloading videos from YouTube can be a seamless experience, you may encounter some common issues along the way. One frequent problem is dealing with unsupported formats. If you try to download a video in a format that your device doesn't support, you may receive an error message. To resolve this, ensure you select a widely compatible format like MP4, which works on most devices. Another common issue is connection problems. If your internet connection is unstable, the download may fail or take an excessively long time. To troubleshoot this, check your internet connection and try restarting your router. If the problem persists, consider downloading during off-peak hours when internet traffic is lower. Additionally, some users may experience slow download speeds. This can be due to server issues on YouTube's end or limitations set by your internet service provider. If you notice this, try pausing other downloads or streaming activities to free up bandwidth. Lastly, it's essential to keep your downloading software updated. Developers frequently release updates to improve performance and fix bugs. Regularly checking for software updates can help you avoid compatibility issues and ensure you have the latest features. By being aware of these common problems and their solutions, you can enhance your downloading experience and enjoy your favorite videos offline without hassle. To make the most of your video downloading experience, it's essential to adopt some best practices that promote efficiency and responsibility. First and foremost, organizing your downloaded videos can significantly enhance your access and viewing experience. Create specific folders based on categories such as tutorials, music, or entertainment. This way, you can quickly locate the content you want without wasting time searching through a cluttered library. Another important tip is to regularly delete unwanted files. Over time, you may accumulate videos that you no longer watch or need. By removing these unnecessary files, you can free up valuable storage space on your device, ensuring that you have room for new content. This practice not only keeps your device organized, but also improves its overall performance. Additionally, it's crucial to remain aware of copyright compliance when downloading videos. Always check the copyright status of the content you wish to download and ensure that your usage aligns with fair use guidelines. This not only protects you from potential legal issues, but also supports the creators whose work you enjoy. By following these best practices, organizing your downloads, deleting unwanted files, and checking for copyright compliance, you can enjoy a more efficient and responsible approach to downloading videos from YouTube. In this video, we've covered essential aspects of downloading YouTube videos effectively and responsibly. First and foremost, we emphasize the importance of understanding YouTube's policies regarding video downloads. Being aware of these guidelines helps you navigate the legal landscape and ensures that you respect the rights of content creators. We also discuss the significance of choosing the right tools for downloading. With options like 4K Video Downloader and YTD Video Downloader, you can find software that suits your needs and preferences. Remember to consider factors such as user-friendliness and format compatibility when making your choice. Additionally, we shared best practices for efficient downloading, including organizing your downloaded videos for easy access, regularly deleting unwanted files to save space, and checking for copyright compliance. These practices not only enhance your downloading experience, but also promote responsible usage of online content. As we wrap up, we invite you to subscribe to our channel for more informative content like this. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with friends who might benefit from it as well. Your support helps us create more valuable resources for you. Thank you for watching, and happy downloading.